Hi everyone, in this video we'll be looking at 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam question number 20. This question came from the topic of money, and this is one of the very standard questions that comes like almost every exam, pretty much asking you to calculate the tax or medical levy or tax refund and so on. So let's look at this question number 20. So you're given a tax table over here. You're told that Wally has a taxable income, which is this. He's been paying a certain tax as you go, and then asking you to ignore the levy, and then asking you to calculate what is the refund that Wally will get. So let's take this out. Based on this taxable income, we first need to calculate what is the total tax before even coming to the refund. So 122,000 of income falls in this tax bracket, right? Between 90,000 and 180,000. So, and it's telling you how to work out the tax for this income. So it's saying that you need to add 20,797 straight away, and then 0.37 on every cent, every dollar that's above 90,000. So first take out 20,797 plus 0.37 multiplied by every dollar above 90,000. So we need to calculate the number of dollars above 90,000, which is total income is 122,680, and you remove 90,000. So that would give you the total income that is above 90,000, right? So your total tax, if you solve this, you will get your total tax, which would be 32,888.6. So that's the total tax for Wally. But Wally has paid 3,000 every month in the year. So in total, Wally has paid 36,000 in the year. So Wally is he's paid overpaid compared to what he's supposed to pay. So he will get a refund of 36,000 minus 32,888.6. So he will get a refund of 3111.4. That's the answer.